Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Sorento door handle. First, gather all your necessary tools like screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and the new handle. Make sure you have the correct replacement part for your specific Kia Sorento model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. To begin, carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing a few fasteners. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. Finally, unbolt the old door handle from its mounting points inside the door cavity. Now, it's time to install your new door handle. Position the new handle into the opening and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all the electrical wiring to the new handle, ensuring each connection is firm. Before fully reassembling, test the new handle's functionality to confirm it operates correctly. With the new handle installed and tested, you can now reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all clips and fasteners align properly for a snug fit. Give the new door handle a final test to ensure it opens and closes smoothly from both inside and outside. Check for any loose parts or unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.